Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can pay someone on Splitwise. Keep watching the video till the end. To pay someone on Splitwise, firstly open your Splitwise application. The homepage of Splitwise will appear on the screen. You cannot directly pay someone on Splitwise, so all you need to do is tap on Friends option on the bottom of the page. Tap on the name of person or group of friends you would like to pay and then click on Settle Up. Select the payer and enter the amount. Add payment description or note if you want to and click on tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. This is how you can pay someone on Splitwise application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.